Welcome back to Garrison's Garage. This is episode 2 of the desk. I just decided to shorten it because it's long and obnoxious. The frame is done, essentially. But I ran into a bit of an issue. This is part of what goes on when you have a design. You design it and create it on the CAD or in your head. When you make it, you start to notice little flaws. One of the flaws here is this flexes a lot. So in order to combat that, I think what we'll do is my idea was this. I'll put two pieces of steel from here to here and over there to there. It'll still kind of look modern, industrial, and cool. And then, yeah, we'll finish that up. I'll do the little pieces for the wood and the epoxy. I should be able to finish this entire piece on this video. Okay, so we go this, right? Oh no, sorry, backwards. It's this corner, not bad. Idiot. There's that. One, switch this, bad bear. 2, 3, 4, let's do this. Anyway, you get the idea, yeah. Okay. There it is, dude. See, it looks badass, right? So we'll do. First spot, right here. That. Beautiful. Nailed it. Not exactly a tack weld, but how everything fits together, I'm sure it's nice. Oh yeah, we're dialed. Nice and smooth. Beautiful. See what happens? They heat it up and bent towards the damn thing. Anyway, here we go. Cover. Filled the hole, filled the gap, plugged the gap. Fat beads. Here we go. Ugly, but effective. Oh, for f***ing sake, I keep forgetting to push record. So, my bad, guys. I screwed up big time. I didn't push record on the last 2 runs, so you gotta really those. So, but this time I promise I'll push record. All right. Pushing record now. See, watch. Boop. Okay, now we'll get some good video. Beauty. Oh, you beauty? That's what Meredith says. Hey-up. Corner. It's gonna be a hard one because of the way the thing goes. Like a super small deal. It's too hard to get your grinder in there. You gotta use like a razor, actual grinder, like a small blade cutoff tool. So, boom, boom. Cover. Absolute trash. I think we can move this now. What do you think, guys? Backside, these are always fun. I'm not very good at these. You guys know that. Here we go. Cover. There you go. That one turned out. Ta-da! At least I recorded this time. Hey, Jesus Christ, what a mess. Here we go. I'm running along the middle. There you go, supports up. Let's go. We have a shortage of hose. Ah, not a good shortage to have. You know what I'm saying? Oh, Jesus. Get your ass in the game. Get your head in the game. Not my best work. Not gonna lie to you guys. Jesus. Nailed it. Welded it. Missed a spot here, looks like. Thought I got all these. Whoops. Ta-da! Everybody wins. I swear to God, I'm a rook right now. All right, so to solve the rigidity problem for this one and that one, what I'm gonna do is put a cross beam on the sides and then run another cross beam across underneath and then on the bottom, cross on the top. Just because I don't want this to flex. It needs to be rigid, you know? Otherwise it's like, what's the point, bro? Just go like this. Boom, dude. Got the pieces cut and coped. Little cutouts for it. This guy here needed two sides to fit. Look, watch. Oops. Whoa, dude, so beautiful. Boom, dude. So next time, this is how you learn from your stupid F-ups. 1x2 square tube or rectangle tube instead of 2, because there's tons, so much freaking extra work I had to do just to strengthen this thing. Anyway, they look good, they look great, they fit nice. So here we go. These little tables from freaking Northern Tool, dude. I did a little review on them, so if any of you guys are like aspiring welders, these things are bitching, and they're cheap. Can't beat cheap, especially when you're first starting out, you know? I'm like not a pro fabricator or anything. I mean, I'm pretty good, but I'm not the best, as you can see from some of my welds. I'm not gonna record because it's a lot of work, and honestly, you guys have seen enough, right? Let's be real. Cover your eyes. Beautiful. This is what engineers call overbuilt. I used a lot more material than I needed. I probably used thicker material than I needed. I used more material to weld than I needed. Bottom line is, I don't know if I'd ever be a good engineer, man. I'm not gonna lie. I love playing with lightning. Don't you guys? I love it! Let's go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Here we go. Cover. You guys can't see any of this. Sorry. It is what it is. Going hot. Fire. We can clean these up too with a grinder. Unfortunately, when you use a grinder, you're considered not to be a grinder. You're considered to be a welder. That's backwards. That was dumb. I quit. Gotta cut these precisely, but I don't have a table saw. So I have to use this old school trick my boss showed me. Thanks, Sean. The idea is you push this on here and use this as a guide so you can cut a real straight line. Unfortunately, the wood warping is not helping at all. It's really making it hard to get a nice straight cut. Okay, one piece down. Let's see how good I am at this, shall we? Moment of truth, boys and girls. I subtracted 2 inches, 1, 2. 63 5/8. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we're gonna do the mounts for the wood. These are gonna support the woods there and there. I cut them a little small, so I didn't want the epoxy to go past them. So, and we'll do 3 holes, screw them in, hold them tight, and then I'll do a couple more, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that, dude. Isn't that sick? All right, guys, that's it for episode 2. It's taking a lot of time. I know. You're probably going, dude, how long is this damn thing gonna take? A long time. Bottom line, 1 more episode should be good though. All right? I promise. I promise. We're gonna build the box for the tower and we're gonna pour the epoxy in the next episode. I'm gonna put it all together in my room and I'm gonna set everything up so you guys can see my rig and stuff. So until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching, everyone.